Let's start day 3 of making a chicken coop. Today we going to make 2 chicken nests, window and a few walls. Now, we are creating a chicken playground. There is an important part of chicken coop. Its backyard. Chickens can go outside anytime they want and spend all much time as they need. Our chickens will have enough space to walk and stretch. Also, the entire chicken backyard will be protected with a special net so that no predator, such as an eagle, hawk, raccoon or coyote, can come across the chickens. Right now we are only building the frame of the back patio. We will nail the protective net later, when the main structure is ready. It's done. Let's start building the floor in the main chicken room. We have been very lucky with the weather this fall. The sun is shining brightly, there is no wind, it's dry and pleasant to be outside. I'm happy to be able to help my husband with building a chicken coop for our family. I'm also happy to be a camera person for him. It's nice to save such a beautiful moment for the future generations. I think so. Because I would be very happy if I could see in the recordings how my parents or grandparents worked on their projects. Now, we will take a break for a special dinner. Because today is our 15th wedding anniversary. Just after the festive dinner we stopped by to pick up a window. We won this window at an auction. Now there will be a window in our chicken coop. So, we can observe the chickens through the window. And they will have light while we install electricity in the chicken coop. This is a very old window. The woman who sold it to us got it out of an old barn. We need to do a good job on it before we put it in the coop. We begin to work on the most significant part of the chicken coop. The chicken nest. A picture with dimensions was found on the internet. We liked this picture. The measurements were close to ours, and we began construction. Instructions for egg collection box. enjoyed building these boxes, imagining how very soon chickens would be laying eggs there. It's ready to install. Working on creating something feels like a privilege. Such work brings joy, pleasant fatigue, and you immediately see the results of your work. Chicken boxes are very heavy, so today we work together, helping and supporting each other. It seems like we did a lot of work today, and we still have a lot of prepared parts left for installation. This is our biggest wood construction project, and our first chicken coop. Every time we get to make a complex piece, and after it opens and closes, fits and looks good, it's a delight for us. We use different materials for construction. We bought some parts, others we found in the barn or dismantled an old tree house. However, in the end everything will look the same and very cute. I'm already looking at pictures on Pinterest, saving them, and can't wait to start decorating. Looking through other people's projects on the internet, I am amazed at how hardworking and inventive people are. It gives me a lot of inspiration. After an hour of work in the garage, a large door is ready for free access to the chickens. This small door is needed to clean the chicken coop from chicken waste products. This is the largest door in the chicken coop. It is needed to have easy access to the chickens. The bottom door will be covered with a mesh for the safety of chickens and will also be useful for cleaning the room. Step by step, our chicken coop is becoming like a chicken coop. You can already imagine what it will look like in the finale. You can already imagine how the chickens run around here, how we watch them, how much joy they bring us. It's like a new chapter in our lives. We are already very tired, but today work is easy and fun. It's absolutely impossible to stop. Now we are going to install an inner door with a small hole for the chickens. Through this small door they can go out for a walk whenever they want. After installing the other two doors, we gained some experience and few work began to go easier and faster. Overall, we are pleased with what we are doing.